Bill Knighton with RightAngle. Today we are going to be showing the unboxing of our Helium Surface. We'll start with, yeah, you guessed it, unboxing. Now this is a desktop converter, also referred to as a desktop sit-to-stand, and this is actually my first time taking it out of the box. Got instructions, you've got the product, and it looks pretty straightforward. Lift it out of the box, set it on the desk, remove my packaging. Now I'll turn it so I'll see what it looks like. One thing they did change on this product, it now has clear rubber glides to help hold it in position and not mar the work surface. You also have 2 paddles for height adjustment. And in the front, you have a tilting adjustment. Okay, I'd like to go over the positives and the negatives of the Helium Surface. The negative would be it is not completely flat with the work surface. You're going to be about 3/4 of an inch up from the work surface, so it will be not as ergonomically correct as someone might like. You also have no monitor height adjustment. You can add one of our hover monitor arm systems that will give you that flexibility. Also, the height range, if you are over 6'2", I'm 6'5", you're going to see my arms are not parallel with the floor. You can help correct some of that. It does have a tilting feature to give you some of that negative tilt. Now with the positives, installation's super easy. It takes just minutes to take it out of the box, set it on your desk, you add your computer system to it, and you're ready to go. The other nice part is it's extremely easy to operate. It's just 2 paddles, infinite height adjustment. You can stop it anywhere you like. Also, even in the highest position, you're going to find it's extremely sturdy. It also only takes up 24 inches of your work surface, which is also extremely helpful. And again, back to that positive tilt and negative tilt. You can do the negative tilt if you are looking for more of a downward slope to your keyboard. Or if you're kind of lean back, taking it easy in your chair, you can go to a positive tilt. It is available also in black, and again, it ships FedEx ground.